Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to set a column wider in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and you can see I wrote here 1 to 10 numbers. So to wider the column, select the first column, then go to the Home tab. In Cells group have a format option. Just click on this drop down arrow, then select the column width options and enter the column width those you want. So I enter here 12. Okay, then click on OK and that's it. You can see the column wider as compared to other columns. Okay, and if you want to wider the column more than one, then select the column those you want to wider it. So I select here the all 1 to 10 column. Again go to the same Home tab. In Cells group, click on the format and click on the column width. Now you just set the width. So I just set here 70. Then click on the OK and you can see the column set wider. Okay. And the second way, after select the column, just right click on it and here the column width option available. Just click on it and here you can also enter the column width and you can just I just enter here 28. Okay. Then click on OK to set the column wider. You can see the column size is showing the increasing. Okay. So this is a way you can set the column wider in Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.